Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman. I'm an area director for Central Region. I'm also a real estate agent at Century 21 Millennium. Today I'm joined with Chris Chopik. He is the founder of Evolution Green. He also works at Sage Realty. In our last video we talked about green designations, what green actually means, but today I want to delve a little bit further. For instance, in 2018, of the 70,000 realtors in Ontario, how many green designated realtors are there?
It's interesting. I planned to look that up before we got here, but I think that there's only 20 listed on the NAR green designation list.
Wow. And
so that's a very good opportunity. There's a lot of homes in Ontario that have solar panels on them. Many homeowners are interested in green features. Lots of increasing number of houses and condos have Tesla charging stations and electric vehicle charging stations. These are of increasing value to consumers. That is, more people want them when they're buying, and more homeowners are investing in them. And so it's important to be able to represent those products when you sell. But it's a real market opportunity for a realtor in Ontario.
Yeah, I'd say so. If there's only 20 realtors that are designated in Ontario, certainly any homeowners watching that have homes that they want to emphasize green features, you have a limited option. So certainly realtors have an opportunity, it sounds, and consumers definitely need to be looking that up, because apparently there's a lot of uneducated realtors when it comes to green-related issues in homes. So thanks very much for your conversation again today and elaborating on the green designation.
Great to be here, Brad. Thanks so much.
And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.